approach. Let's get started. This YouTube course is free help for all of you to make sure that anybody can learn freely. If you feel that our effort is worthy, then please like, share the video and subscribe the channel for upcoming courses. Now let's continue with a series of Django and let's move towards the Visual Studio Code. So here we are in the Visual Studio Code and here we need to start a terminal. So for that we need to right click here and open an integrated terminal. Now that we are here, we need to be and you can see that we're already in our project ANSR1. Now we need to type work on test 4 so that we get into an environment in which we have downloaded the Django. Now let me make you familiar with the command here. If you write Django admin here, okay, Django hyphen admin, you can see all the Django commands which are already available here. For example, there's start project, there is start app, there's always also run server here. Yeah, here it is, run server app, run server command. So there are all the commands which are available here. So for us to print hello world, we need to create an app because a project can have many apps, and I've told you this before. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to create an app. So for that we need to type the command Django admin start app, and let's name our app. Let's name it apps. Okay. Let's name it this. Okay, now you can see here on the left side that there is answer one. This is a project, and within this project you can see apps. This is our app. Okay. Now what are these? In apps we got another apps. It would be better if you name this app one or something, because those it doesn't matter, but still. So there's migrations here. There's models, admin, views. Now what are these? This admin, it basically controls your admin panel. These apps basically control all of your apps which are here. Remember this apps config. We'll be using this somewhere. We can see models here also. What is models? I told you. I guess I haven't told you what MBT. So what? And I will tell you about it later. Right now, or let me tell you about it right now. What is MBT? So Django, it follows the structure of MBT. Now what is that? MBT is known as model view template. Model is the place where it contains all the data and it connects to a database. And view is a place where it has all of your functions. You can send a request there. It's basically all the logical. It's all the logics are written there. And template is where you write your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the designing and everything of your page. And models is used to connect views and templates together. So what happens whenever you go to a website in Django? So what it will do, it will first go to the URLs, this urls.py, and then from here it will goes to views. Then in the views it will collect all the data from models, and the model it will all help it to go to the templates. Okay. So now that and these tests can be used to, if you need to perform any test in on a website, this is used for that. And views.py, I've already told you about this. So what we need to do first, we need to have a urls.py in our apps too. This urls.py is in our project, but we don't have one here. So we need to make urls.py here. So for us to do that, we will right click here and we will do new file, and we will write urls.py. Okay. Now we're in the urls.py. Now when we will create our Django website, now what it will do, it will goes to this urls.py. First it will go to our project urls.py, and here it is written path admin.site URL. This is the path which it will follow, but you haven't written that it needs to go to first this apps. Okay. You need to connect it to the app first. So for us to do that, we will first write include here. Okay, so after that we will just copy this. Okay, and on the next we will just paste this, and here we will write this is our home page. And instead of all of this here, we will just write that on the home page we need to go to includes, and you need to go into apps dot urls. Okay, so what you're telling this is that when this website will be live, it will go into this here is your py, and when it will go, you are telling it basically to go to apps dot urls. You're basically telling it to go to here, this apps dot urls, but this is empty right now, so we will fill this in our next class. So thank you guys for watching this. See you in the next video. And last but not the least, this is just a small start. If you really want to learn, then register in our premium live classes where you can interact and learn live with us. We are waiting for you there. Thank you again. Take care.